you like to have a salad. So I have some beautiful romaine hearts here. These are absolutely beautiful. And what we're going to do with these is I'm going to cut them up, and we're going to make two plates, one for me and one for Anthony, right, everybody? So we're going to do, and I cut them like this, and then I go through them again like that, and then I come this way and this way. So now you've got them all cut up in somewhat of a bite-sized piece, right, everybody? And then what we're going to do is we're going to get these into our bowls, okay? Same thing with our other one. I've already washed these. Remember, lettuce is an interesting animal, but even if it says it's pre-washed, like in the bags, but it's okay. Sometimes I like to rinse it out one more time when I bring it home, okay? And that I leave up to you guys, all right? All right, so there we go, there we go. And then today I've decided, I said, you know what? You know what? I need to make an egg salad. I haven't had egg salad in so long, and, you know, Anthony and I like eggs, so, you know, eggs are good. It's good protein. And what we're going to do is I'm going to give some, making these salads today, I'm going to put some turkey breast meat, oven roasted turkey breast meat, and then I'm going to layer that with some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful egg salad. So you don't need a lot. Protein in the egg, protein in the turkey, and this will do the job, okay? So this is always a great, I roll it over and then I slice it real thin like this. See how I do this? So you have your turkey meat right there. Turkey meat, right? Okay? And let's say I want to put some tomatoes in here. We'll just put some tomatoes. Get some color going, right? I've diced up some Romas. And, you know, what we're making today is a nice protein lunch, right? Okay? And I'm going to have some of this turkey myself. And I'm just going to take it and cut it, and then cut it up. Okay, so there we go. We have that. And then what we need to do, these are such simple salads. You can put an avocado, you could put beans, maybe garbanzo beans or navy beans, or you could put red beans if you want beans, okay? If not, you don't have to put beans. So today, then I'm going to, this is what Chef Pete calls a simple salad, a protein simple salad. So then we're going to get this beautiful egg salad I just made. And I just made this egg salad with mayo, but the mayo I use today is avocado mayo. Okay, so what you want to do is remember that mayonnaise is absolutely great. And then we have avocado mayo. Okay? Now, you can cut the regular mayo with this, go 50-50, or you can use just avocado mayo. And avocado mayo is like olive oil mayo. It's a good fat, okay? All right. So remember that. Sometimes you can do that if you so choose, all right? And then I'm going to give myself some over here. And I made a very simple egg salad. I made it with the avocado mayo today and a little celery. And there we go. So there we have it. And I'm going to give myself a few of these tomatoes. I'll throw a few on top here. And there we go. Make a simple salad. This is the way to go. Keep everything simple. It's hot outside. And there we go. If you like, you can give it a little bit of chives or parsley on the top. If that's what you like, you can do that. Just give it just a light sprinkling and you get some greenery there. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzos wishing you all the best. Watch the shorts, watch the longs, and we will see you all again as we take our culinary journey for cooking, eating, and enjoying. So this is Pete at Carpizzos, always wishing you the best. Pete out!